What's going on, guys? So today we're going to do a tune-up on the BR800. What you're going to need is your wrench, spark plug, air filter, and fuel filter. All right, so the top piece up here will be where the spark plug will go. Through the top bolt, slide right out. Then you'll see right down here is where the spark plug will go. Just gonna take the boot off and pop a new one in. So we'll do that right now. Boot's off. Screw that one, and then you'll just put the new one right in. We usually do this once a year just because these BR800s get used heavily when it comes to leaf cleanups. So that one. And there you go. Some people could argue and say it wouldn't really need it, but you know what? Might as well do it, you know? It'll last us for the rest of the year. Do it again before the summer, and then again when fall cleanups begin. And you guys can get a tune-up kit online or from your local dealer. It's cheaper for us to go to the dealer. And again, that comes with the spark plug, fuel filter, and the air filter. And you don't got to over tighten these spark plugs, just make them snug. That's good. Put the boot back on. Make sure you hear the click. Top nut will line up. Tighten that up. You're good to go. And on the side over here is where the air filter will go. And I'll show you how we do that. Real quick. It's gonna go right down here. There's two bolts here you have to unscrew. Here. And there you go. As you can tell here, this definitely needed it. Again, this is just from the summer, you know, so we're definitely gonna put a new one in. So go inside like that. Just goes inside there. Tighten that up. Tighten the bottom one too. All good. Then next will be the fuel filter. There. And then what we use for the fuel filter, believe it or not, is an old hanger. We'll go down here so you can see again. Easiest part too, to get down in here So you want to loop the filter, but make sure you don't snug too hard. Oh, this one came out pretty easy. As you can see, I'm gonna mess up the there it is. We got the new one right there. And there should be a little O-ring attached to this. Move the O-ring off. Slide this one back on. Once you slide that back in, put the O-ring on. The O-ring is, I don't know if you can see it, but it has to go over that. And make sure you get this one down in here good. You want it to be about at the bottom of the tank. So what we do is we'll fish it down. There we go. All right. And that's the major 3 components. Inside here, there is a summer mode and winter mode we'll get to. Some guys use that, some guys don't, but that's about it.